go too long. Because it's not 2 o'clock yet, is it? Close enough for you guys? Everybody's probably in there eating. Can you round up all those people in the hallway, tell them hurry up? All right. How many of you have not heard me speak yet? Where have you been? You guys have missed the party. I always eat dessert first. That way I don't want to be too full. All right. This is a 3-hour class that I have to put in 45 minutes. So for those of you who are brave enough, I will sneak you into my paid class tomorrow for $79. I think they're charging you $99 or something for here. But if you would like to go to that, I have a 3-hour class, I think a 2-hour class tomorrow, on how to find the leaders, losers, and limpers using a little bit of what I'm going to talk about today. But I get into actual nuts and bolts of how to do this. So if you don't want to pay the $79, I have it on CDs for $99. What? If you're going to procrastinate, you got to pay more. So I do have it on CD. That's not a joke. And it is $99. It's 3 hours. But if you buy the website and all the education for $399, I'll throw in all the CDs for free. So the website's normally $399 a year. Today and tomorrow at the show, I'm giving all of our educational material, which is 30 hours of education. Now, when you're done, you'll understand the benefit of the education if you haven't been to one of my classes yet. This is about education. I have a website. It's $3.99. I'm telling you, you can have the whole damn thing for $3.99. That's our show special for the recession. If you go home on Monday, it goes back to $6.99 for the education, $3.99 for the website, and I do not discount it. You can beg all you want. I have 4 daughters and a wife. I am used to begging. It does not work on me. So what I want to do is give you a glimpse of what I believe trading is all about. Now, I use the word trading and investment interchangeably. Strategies for investing or trading are the same regardless of time frame. You just make it happen faster when you shorten the time frame and you increase the risk proportionately. And not only do you increase the risk, but you increase the likelihood that you will be wrong. So day trading is not a game. A matter of fact, I think statistically, if you play craps, how many of you ever go to Las Vegas and gamble? Las Vegas, the only game that you can bet with a house is craps. 51% odds if you bet the don't come line that you will win in Las Vegas. 49% on the come line. It's the only game that has those statistical odds. You might as well go play craps, get free drinks, have comped room for your gambling habit if you want to be a day trader. Some of you are day trading. It's okay. As long as you know what you're doing, I don't care. Here we go. It's your money, manage it. This is my lifelong mission right here. You need to take control of your money, manage it. Nobody else is going to. In the process of managing money I've done this for 27 years now, I've learned one vital key. Money management is more important than performance. Investors are hung up on making money versus managing their money. Risk management is what builds wealth over the long term, not performance short term. Managing the risk associated with your money keeps you from losing it. Therefore, practice sound money management, which is risk management principles first. And I'm telling you, what? Sure. In the process of the idea here is that I am talking from experience from two sides. I manage my own money and have for 35 years. I manage money professionally and have done that for 27 years. I talk to people like you all the time. I teach and have taught all over the country. I listen to people like you all the time. I hear what you say, I hear what you do, and I see what you do. And what I'm going to tell you in 45 minutes are the Reader's Digest version of some of the stupidity that I see and some of the intelligence that I see, but it lacks discipline. The biggest pitfall is discipline. Does everybody understand that? Discipline. How long does it take to create a habit? 30 days. Psychologists have studied this. It takes 30 days to build a habit. I wake up every morning at 4 a.m. without an alarm clock. Why? I have trained myself over the last 30 years to wake up at 4 a.m. Why do I get up at 4 a.m.? Because I do my research from 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. At 8 a.m., I get on the treadmill. I run off all the frustration from my research. And after that, I take a shower, and then I go downstairs. I do not watch the market until it is 10:15. If you're trying to trade the open of the market, you have more gray hair than I do, and I got a lot. What have you been doing? You're up at 3. There we go. Now, discipline. It's about discipline. My daughter, who is 13 years old, looks at me and says, "Dad, I'm not you. I can't get up that early." I said, "That's fine." I've owned my own business for almost 30 years now. One or take or different kinds. And I tell everyone who works for me, you only have to work half a day. You can work the first 12 hours or the second 12. I don't care. All right. Discipline. Define your strategy based on what you want. And I've talked about this in all of my classes. If you haven't been here, you can't get what you want if you don't know what you want. You know, Zig Ziglar's famous for saying that if you don't have a target, you'll hit it every time. You know, and so what I'm going to say to you is that you have to know what you want. What do you want from your money? Do not give me the stupid response, "I want to make money." And do not give me the dumber one right behind it, "I want to make as much as possible." And do not give me the ultimate one with as little risk as possible. Now, how did I get that? I didn't make that up. You guys tell me that.